"You're fired," his boss said. And in the blink of an eye, his whole future flashed right in front of him. All his dreams of big houses, flashy cars, and regular vacations crushed in seconds. Distraught, upset, and emotionally beaten with his tail between his legs, he slowly dragged himself out of the office in sheer embarrassment. He could feel the eyes of all his colleagues piercing into his skin, almost making him feel like lesser of a man. Shivering with worry how he'd provide for his two elderly parents, his wife Julie, and how he'd break the news to his two small children, Abby and Mary, that he could no longer afford to take them to Disneyland anymore. Thanks to the current changes in the world, a job is obviously no longer a safe haven. Dozens of big billion-dollar companies, which hire thousands of people, have closed down in the last 18 months. In fact, there's never been a better time in history where the internet has been the best opportunity to attain financial freedom. Hi, my name's Billy Darr, and yes, that's a true story of one of our students called Mark. But thanks to the internet, we were able to help him turn things around. In fact, turning things around would be an understatement. We were able to help Mark generate as much as $892.32 in a single day, with nothing more than a beat-up old laptop, a slow internet connection, and of course, our brand new solution. In fact, Mark was able to go and make more in a single month than he used to make in an entire year working at his poxy office job. So, what's this brand new solution, you might be wondering? Well, we've developed a cutting-edge software which taps into one of the richest internet companies in history. A company that's worth $100 billion and is set up to be worth $1 trillion in the next few years. A company which has access to over 3 billion humans. That's access to 3 billion people's wallets. Now, our software lets you legally, ethically, and morally leverage the power of this internet company. We've been able to see an average of $21.63 an hour with almost zero effort, zero work, zero risk, and zero upfront investment. And the best part? It's literally set and forget. We've never seen anything more passive than this before. So, if you like the idea of setting something up once, that too with a push of a button, and being able to reap the rewards over and over again, pay very close attention. So, how does this software work? Step 1, activate. Enter in some details into the simple software. Step 2, relax. We enjoy $21.63 an hour on AutoPilot, even while we sleep. It's as easy as that. There's no technical setup, no mumbo-jumbo, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is the quickest route to getting results online. An app that works exactly how it's advertised. In fact, nothing like this has ever been done before, period. So how much is this going to cost you? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $97 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But, of course, you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. Literally, less than the slice of a sizzling hot pizza. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. When you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus package worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our Succeed or Get Paid $200 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Delta, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, but we'll also send you $200. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will most likely pay more. So, if you want instant access to the same software, which makes us on average at $21.63 an hour, then click the Get Started button below right now to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to Delta at an affordable one-time price. Oh, I almost forgot. When you order today, you'll also get our LazyMonies system, which runs 24/7 in the background and pulls in a cool $97 a day for us on complete autopilot. Worth $997, yours absolutely free when you act today. So, hurry. Click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.